The Addictions Academy now offering Professional Against Medical Advice, AMA, and Against Professional Advice, APA, training to addiction recovery treatment centers. The Addictions Academy has announced they are now offering Professional Against Medical Advice, AMA, and Against Professional Advice, APA, training to addiction recovery treatment centers to help their clients meet the goals of their treatment plans. The Addictions Academy founder Dr. Callie Estes recently announced they have developed a training program that crosses clinical verbiage and retention techniques to improve the Against Medical Advice, AMA, and Against Professional Advice, APA, rates of drug and alcohol treatment center or mental health center team so their clients meet the goals of their treatment plans and ultimately find success. We analyze the systems the centers have in place, meet their staff, and train them on both clinical terminology and closing retention tactics, said Dr. Estes. She continued, there is an ongoing issue with clients deciding to leave a program before they should, and against the advice of professionals, which commonly leads to recidivism and can be dangerous. Helping these clients complete their program and plan is a powerful way for addiction professionals to effectively assist those in recovery. The Addictions Academy is the global leader in addiction recovery coach training and certification and offers comprehensive courses for recovery coaches, family recovery coaches, nutrition and recovery coaching, and many more. Their AMA/APA training program cross-blends motivational interviewing with coaching and cognitive behavioral therapy terminology and sales closing techniques for a proven system that retains clients. Estes explains, the relationship that is built with the client prior to treatment and during treatment is crucial to the success of that client and the center. We have a comprehensive training program that assists staff in quickly resolving the issue, resulting in fewer clients leaving and leading to a higher rate of drug and alcohol recovery success. Video link. Recent article in the New York Times highlighted many of the increased challenges the United States has faced during the COVID-19 pandemic. Titled Relapsing Left and Right, Trying to Overcome Addiction in a Pandemic, the article focuses on how substance abuse centers are shutting and relying on virtual programming, just as more and more people turn to drugs and alcohol. Several studies have shown that binge drinking has increased during the pandemic, and a recent report from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention cited a concerning acceleration of opioid-related overdoses last year. The article pointed out. Dr. Estes reflected, we've seen a rise in substance abuse because of isolation issues, relationship challenges, and financial stress. And with the treatment centers helping many of these individuals, they have found their clients will have a lower chance of relapse if they can stick with the recommended plan. The nation's opioid crisis reached new proportions in 2020, continuing to increase from the unbelievable 70,000 deaths we saw in 2017. Overdose deaths are now higher than deaths from HIV, car crashes, or gun violence at their peaks. Fox News reported, for the first time, odds of dying from opioid overdose higher than dying from a car crash. The story also noted that a new analysis from the National Safety Council says the odds of dying by an accidental opioid overdose, 1 in 96, have now surpassed the odds of dying in a car accident, 1 in 103. Dr. Callie Estes and the Addictions Academy have been offering a wide-ranging assortment of advanced training for several years in an ongoing effort to counteract the growing addiction problem. The Academy has more than 30 faculty teaching over 40 courses in 5 different languages. Program graduates can be found in 25 countries helping address the addiction problem worldwide. For more info on the Professional Against Medical Advice, AMA, and Against Professional Advice, APA training program, go to additional information. The Addictions Academy, visit learn more about Dr. Callie Estes, the addictions coach, visit